What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Oh man, today is gonna be an awesome day, man. Today is a day we ride to local breweries to pick up some local brews, and we are actually gonna mail them off to a couple cats on YouTube, some other moto vloggers. We got JMax707 and Alpha Core, man. So make sure y'all go check out their channels because they're going to be doing the same thing. So that way you can get a view of all the breweries that I'm doing a video of the actual breweries there. I'm not sure how they're going to do theirs, but make sure you go check out their channel anyway, man. They got some great content. So today, man, we got iRocker C with us, along with my brother's buddy Juan, and then my brother's leading the pack, man. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a hot day. It's supposed to get in 100, and it's supposed to get like in the hundreds, and then it's gonna feel like in between 106 and 113, kinfolk. Insane. So today, you can't see it just yet because I don't have my other camera on there, but I am not wearing my vest. I brought it with me to wear inside the breweries, but I am not wearing it right now, man. It is just way too hot already, and it's 11:30. So, but we're gonna have a blast, man. We're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna show you all the breweries when we get there, and hopefully get you a little tour, and maybe even talk with maybe one of the owners or management, and give y'all a little background on each brewery and how they all got started. Hopefully, we'll see how that turns out, though. But anyway, so we're gonna head there, kinfolk. So I guess whenever we get there or get close to it, I'll turn you back on and show you what they look like. Let's go. Very cool. Here off in the woods. Here we are, kinfolk. B52 Brewing. So let's go off in there and check it out. folks, so we're here at B52 Brew Company, man, and we actually picked up a couple brews real quick. I actually ended up getting the Pils, which is a Pilsner, a German Pilsner, and then I got the Poland Oak, which is a Pale Ale American. So let's give her a little swallow. This one here is the Pils, so let's see. That's good stuff. Let me show y'all what it shows. So the Pils German is a 5.1%, and then we got the Poland Oak, which is a 4.2%. What'd you get, Jay?
The Pils and the breakfast fried rice.
That one good?
It's good. Got a little bit of flavor to it.
That looks drier. Yeah. So we'll finish these up, man, and I'll let you know what I think of them. You ain't got nothing you want?
No, water. Like ice, but like wetter.
Alright, Kimbo, we'll get back with you. Alright, Rock, what'd you end up getting, brother?
I got the you call this the number 3 breakfast. The breakfast side. It's got coffee in it. So
alright.
And I got the number 15. That's some kind of sweet tart or something.
It looks good.
It looks good, so let's taste it.
Taste it. Is it good? Does it really?
Very good. I like this, man.
Nice.
Number 15.
Number 15?
Sweet tart or something. Smoothie tart.
Hell yeah. Alright, Juan, what'd you end up getting, Juan?
This one here is the bourbon batch.
Yep.
Which is on point. Good stuff right here. This is the Weeze the fruit, raspberry and grapefruit. It tastes more like grapefruit.
Does it?
It's a little bit I don't know what do you call it, kind of
does it have a bitter taste? Sweet?
nasty.
Is it?
But the bourbon batch is really good.
Yeah, I just tasted that one, kinfolk, and it straight up tastes like bourbon, but man, it's got a sweetness at the end of it, man, like a molasses or something, man. Super, super good, but I couldn't drink that thing though. That's too strong for me.
5.7%.
Yeah, a lot of grapefruit. So it seems like, man, a lot of their brews have got a lot of fruits in it. So if you're into that, man, you know, it's a place to look up. B52 Brewing. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, and they're on Twitter. So make sure y'all go check them out, man. We're gonna try a couple more and then see how that goes. All right, Kim folks. So now we're in the tap room. So let me show y'all some of the stuff they got over here. Folks, so what I wanted to do is wanted to try one of the darker beers, the stout. So I ended up trying the Stargazer. Let's see. That's what it was, ain't it? Danny? It was a Stargazer, right?
Stargazer.
Yeah.
15, number 15.
8.8.
Oh, dang, you know.
And that one's at 8.8%, y'all.
Better be careful.
Look, it's dark, man. And it's got the pineapple, coconut, chocolate, Madagascar, vanilla beans, and milk sugar. So it's good, man. It's good. So we'll see if I can get one of those, man, to send out to y'all. J Mac and Alpha Core. We'll see what happens. This room's really cool. This one's inside, and this one's actually got all the barrels and stuff, man. Really nice. And AC. All right, kinfolk, man. We just ended with the B52 brewery. Pretty good stuff, man. Out here in Conroe, Texas, and now we're gonna head to the next one, which is Southern Star. So let's go. So Danny's actually got to head out, man. So Danny, I appreciate you coming, brother. And so my brother-in-law actually hasn't made it yet, so I don't know where he's at, but we'll see what happens. Maybe he'll meet us at this next one. And I wasn't able to get an interview with the person that they had told me to talk with, because she actually hadn't gotten there just yet. So I was really hoping to be able to do that, but maybe next time, man. She was supposed to be there, but we had to leave. She was getting there after a little bit, but we had to go. So hopefully I'll catch her next time.